Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating your avatar in Snapchat. If you've ever wanted to personalize your Snapchat profile with a unique character, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 2. On your profile page, look for the option that says Create My Avatar. Tap on it to begin the avatar creation process. Step 3. Now, it's time to bring your character to life. Follow the on-screen prompts and go through the process of customizing your avatar. You can choose facial features, hairstyles, and other attributes to make it uniquely yours. Step 4. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your avatar, don't forget to pick an outfit that suits your style. After selecting the perfect attire, tap on Save to finalize your creation. Congratulations! You've successfully created your avatar in Snapchat, adding a personal touch to your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.